Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a simple tip for drying herbs in the oven. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please stay tuned. For the purpose of today's video, I'll be drying out cilantro. Now there's a few ways to dry out herbs. You can put them in the microwave. You can let them just air dry for about a week on your countertop, or you can do the oven method, and that's what I'm gonna show you guys today. So I'll remove the pieces that have gone bad, I'll wash them, and then I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So I've prepped my cilantro by pulling out those bad pieces, washing it very thoroughly. I dried it with a paper towel, and then now I'm going to allow it to air dry for just a few minutes before I cut the stems off. For this method of drying herbs in the oven, I'll be preheating my oven to a very low temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, now that it's dry, I'm going to cut the stems off. And this part doesn't have to be perfect. The main thing is that we're removing the leaves from the stem here. All right, you guys, so I have removed most of the large stems. And cut the leaves off. Just going through to make sure I haven't missed any. From here, I'm gonna arrange the leaves in a single layer. Basically try to space it out as much as I can. I'll try to find any remaining stems. Next, I'll place this in the oven, which has been preheated to 225 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. I'll open the oven every 15 minutes or so to make sure they're not burning, and then to also let some moisture escape out of the oven. All right, you guys, I'm back. The cilantro is done. It only took about 45 minutes in the oven, which was set to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. It is nice and dry. From here, I will break it up, remove some of the remaining stems that I see, and then I'm gonna place it in a airtight container. I'll store it on my counter and I'll use it for recipes later on. I love this method. It's such a simple and easy way to cut down on waste. So the next time you have cilantro laying around, go ahead and give this method a try. You could do this with rosemary, parsley, basil. If that's something you'd like to see on the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment and I will make a video. I'm just using this small Tupperware here. And I literally am just breaking this up with my hands.